Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, students, parents, and friends. Welcome to the commencement exercise of Asian Institute of Computer Studies Montalban. Let us now welcome the candidates for graduation from the Humanities and Social Sciences strand. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the AICS faculty members. Let us now welcome the AICS administrative officers, the board of directors, and our honored guest, Dr. August M. Hamora, Public Schools Division Supervisor from the Department of Education, Montalban Sub-Office, Schools Division Office of Rizal. Thank you. You may be seated. Once again, good morning, ladies and gentlemen, students, parents, and friends. Welcome to the commencement exercise of Asian Institute of Computer Studies Montalban. After 30 years of dedicated service, AICS continues to stand solid to its goal to provide quality education to the Filipino youth and help build a society of learners ready to pursue higher learning, proficient workers, and experts. AICS has once again produced another promising batch of graduates this year, ready to set into action the knowledge, skills, and values they have learned, to become agents of hope and change for the country and for the world. This is Alvin Carrillo, Master of Ceremonies. May we request everybody to stand for the entrance of colors. Ladies and gentlemen, the Philippine National Anthem, Ms. Kelsey Ann de Guzman will be conducting.
Bayang magiliw, danas ng silanganan, alam na puso, sa dibdib mo'y buhay. Lupang hinirang, tuyang ka ng mag-ibig, sa manlulubi, di ka masisiil, sa dagat at bundok, sa simoy at sa langit mong baka, may dilagang tula at awit sa paglayang minamahal. Ang kislap ng walang at mo'y tagumpay na nagdinilig, ang bituin ng araw niya kailan pa may di magdidilim. Lupa ng araw, dalawa
Miss Anna Doroliat will be leading the opening prayer. Please remain standing.
Heavenly Father, in this moment of reflection and celebration, we come before you with hearts full of gratitude. We acknowledge your guidance and grace that have brought our graduates to this significant milestone. As they stand on the threshold of new beginnings, we humbly seek your continued presence in their lives. Bestow upon them the wisdom to navigate the complexities of the world, the fortitude to overcome adversity, and the compassion to serve others selflessly. Lord, grant them the strength to uphold integrity and the courage to pursue righteousness. May they be ever mindful of their responsibilities and use their gifts for the betterment of humanity. Instill in them a deep sense of purpose and a relentless pursuit of truth and justice. We lift to you the families, mentors, and friends who have nurtured and supported our graduates. Bless them abundantly for their unwavering love and dedication. As we celebrate this occasion, we recognize that all achievements are possible through your divine grace. Guide our graduates as they embark on their new journeys, and may they always find solace and strength in your unfailing love. In your holy name we pray. Amen.
You may be seated. An inspirational speech from an honorable speaker is always an essential part of any commencement exercise. He is supposed to convey words and ideas of encouragement and motivation. To introduce our honorable guest speaker, let us call on Mr. Albert Guevara, Area Manager, Central 2.
Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Our guest speaker is a distinguished educator, curriculum expert, and dedicated public servant whose journey in education spans decades of excellence. He earned his Bachelor of Arts in Political Science degree from the Far Eastern University, Manila. Finished his Master of Arts in Teaching, major in Social Studies at the University of Rizal System in Pililla, Rizal. And recently completed his Doctor of Education, major in Educational Administration from Greenville College, Pasig City. A licensed professional teacher and passer of multiple civil service examinations, he has devoted his career to shaping both learners and fellow educators. He served as a public school master teacher for over a decade, while also sharing his expertise as a part-time university instructor teaching history, political science, professional education, and the life and works of Rizal. His contributions extend to the national level, having served as a curriculum writer for the Department of Education, where he developed learning materials in Araling Panlipunan. He is also an active learning facilitator of the National Educators Academy of the Philippines, mentoring teachers and school leaders across Calabarzon. In recognition of his excellence, he was awarded the Pambansang Natatanging Guro sa Edukasyon by the Knowledge Channel Foundation, Inc. His leadership journey continued as an education program supervisor and later as an Araling Panlipunan supervisor. Today, he serves as one of the public schools district supervisors in Montalban. A true pillar in the field of education, his work continues to inspire excellence and education among educators and students alike. Ladies and gentlemen, let us warmly welcome our distinguished guest, Dr. August M. Hamora.
Thank you, Sir Albert Guevara, for that well introduction. Today, I am not only congratulating the graduates who successfully crossed the finish line, but I'm also congratulating your proud parents and guardians and teachers who have been waiting for this significant day. And for that, may I request all the graduates to please stand. Let us together honor the people behind your success. Look at your parents or guardians, your teachers, wave a hand, give your sweetest smiles, konting ngiti naman dyan, and a big round of applause. You can take your seats. Thank you. Allow me to acknowledge in a special way the Asian Institute Computer Studies Board of Directors. Chairman of the Board, Ma'am Teresita S. Asis. Palakpakan po natin. The AICS President, Sir Anthony S. Asis. The Vice President, Ma'am Adelaine Marie Asis Serapin. Corporate Secretary, Sir Elmer Hernandez. Board Treasurer, Ma'am Andrea Marie Asis Veneracion. To all the AICS area heads, to Dr. Eileen Bukal, the former supervisor of DepEd Rizal, of course, to all the AICS faculty, non-teaching staff, our dear parents, other guests, graduates, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. Senior high school is often described as a two-year marathon. You've endured the long nights of studying, the pressure of completion of the requirements, and the social complexities of growing up. But today, dear graduates, you crossed the finish line, not just with a diploma, but with a toolkit for life. The knowledge, skills, competencies, and values were fully served by the AICS. Graduates, I would like to share these relevant advices and reflect as you enter the college life. First, don't wait for the perfect moment to make your mark. The world rarely offers perfect conditions. Instead, find the courage to be imperfectly brave. Take the leap into that dreams and never be afraid to stand up for what is right, even if you are standing alone. Alam naman natin na madami ng problema ang ating mundo. Ang ating lipunan, nariyan ang gera, pagtaas ng gasolina, kahirapan, korupsyon, krimen, at marami pang iba. Kayo ang higit na kailangan ng ating mundo. Kung walang maninindigan sa mga problema ng lipunan, walang maninindigan sa katotohanan at kawawa ang lipunang ito. Hindi dapat sabihin na kayo ang pag-asa ng bayan Dapat kayo ang inaasahan ng bayan. Subalit kailangan simulan ninyo ito sa inyong sarili, sa pagtupad ng inyong mga pangarap. If you want to make a difference 5 years or 10 years from now, do something today. Ngayong araw na ito ay isang makabuluhang bahagi ng kwento na inyong buhay sa senior high school. Kalahok sa istorya na ito ang inyong mga pangarap. Yes, libre ang mangarap, pero hindi libre ang pagtupad sa pangarap. Wala nang instant Lucky Me, wala nang instant coffee, wala nang shortcut sa buhay. Kailangan magtiyaga, magpawis, at magpagod. Second, many people have the will to reach for their dream, but only a few are willing to reach for their dream. Only a few willing to do what it takes to make it. Because life will throw some bad things, struggles, problems, and conflicts. But it's not about what life throws at you. It's about how you respond to whatever life throws at you. Maraming tao ang sinundan ng mga pangarap, pero hindi nagtagumpay. Sabi ng isang manunulat, ang tamang pangarap nararamdaman ng puso. Hindi idinidikta ng kung sino-sinong nguso. Tandaan, kung pagod ka, pero masaya ka at fulfilled sa ginagawa mo, nasa tamang pangarap ka. Pero kung pagod ka, stress, depress, aba gumising ka. Baka nasa maling pangarap ka. The point is, wala namang taong tulog ang nakukuha ang gusto nila. Diba? Kung gusto mong masalo ang biyayang iahagis sa iyo ng buhay na ito, dapat gising ka, dapat nandun ka, at dapat ready ka. Dahil kung hindi, ang mga bagay na inaasam-asam mo, pwedeng masalo ng iba. Ikatlo, who you are in senior high school does not define who you will be forever. Kaya nga commencement. Ito ay pagsisimula. Pagtatapos sa senior high school, pero pagsisimula sa buhay kolehiyo. So college life is a fresh start, restart, revisit, recall, and review. So allow yourself to be open to new experiences. Give yourself the permission to unlearn things about yourself and explore beyond your comfort zone. Hindi natin masasabing kaya natin ang isang bagay kung hindi natin susubukan at pagtsatsagaan. Let me share. Noong bata pa ako, nangarap ako maging pari. Pero hindi ako nagtagumpay, hindi nagkatotoo. Dahil kung nagkataon, palagay ko wala ako dito sa harapan ninyo dahil nasa kumbento ako. Nung magtapos ako ng kurso ng political science, sinubukan ko magtrabaho sa isang fast food chain bilang manager. Pero hindi rin ako nagtagal, nag-resign ako. Okay lang, kasi baka pagdating ng panahon, magkapakpak na ako sa kakakain ng McChicken. Sinubukan ko din magtrabaho sa isang car company ng ilang buwan. Pero hindi rin ako nakatagal, nag-resign din ako. Mahirap pala magtrabaho sa isang foreign company. Sometimes, not getting what we want is a stroke of good luck. Let me share some stories. May isang direktor sa Amerika, sa University of Southern California, na kung saan ilang beses siyang hindi na-recognize yung kanyang mga film at yung kanyang mga creation. But after 7 or 8 years, nakatanggap siya ng isang project sa pagdidirect ng isang major film. Yun ang nangyari. Yun ay naking break niya sa buhay niya. Dahil na kapag direct siya ng isang major American film na Jurassic Park. At siya si Steven Spielberg. The same story sa isang record label, singer, performer. Lagi siyang hindi nananalo sa mga contest and competition. But hindi siya tumigil. She bounced back. After several years, na-recognize siya. Sino siya? Si Lady Gaga. Another story. He had severe speech problems. And as a child, he didn't speak fluently until age of 9. Imagine, 9 years old na siyang natutong magsalita at maintindihan yung kanyang sinasabi. At kahit nung nag-aaral pa siya, sinabihan pa siya na stupid ng kanyang guro. Kilala niyo ba kung sino siya? Scientist Albert Einstein. Another story. He was cut from his high school varsity basketball dahil mahina ang kanong katawan. Very sickly. Sinabi pa niya na, mag-practice ka muna, mag-train ka muna. So after several or series of trainings and practices, tinanggap siya sa panibagong varsity university. At iyon, siya na nga ang tinatawag na GOAT ng NBA. Sino siya? Si Michael Jordan. These stories manifested 3 important lessons in life. Persistence. Katulad ninyo bilang mga kabataan, hindi dapat mawala yung sinasabing persistence. Continuing forward despite repeated rejections or collapses. Sabi nga ni Benigno Aquino, bago siya barilin sa Tarmac Airport, may isang reporter na nagtanong, paano daw niya maipapakita o maipapadama ang kanyang pagmamahal sa bayan? Alam niyo kung ano sagot ni Ninoy? As long as there is an ounce of breath in me, I shall never fold the banner of this crusade. Another learnings. Using failed attempts to gain knowledge and improve the next effort. Wala namang perpektong buhay, di ba? Ang pag-aaral ay hindi bed of process. Lahat tayo may mga mistakes, may mga failures, pero ang mahalaga, tutuloy tayo, lalaban tayo. Ito yung mga learning experiences natin. And don't be afraid to start over again. Maraming second chance, may third chance, may fourth chance. Having the resilience to begin again after losing everything is a great inspiration. Huwag tayong susuko. Katulad ng mga narinig natin kaninang mga istorya ng tagumpay after experiencing series of failures in life. So graduates, pagsikapan ninyong matapos ang inyong pag-aaral. Dahil sa panahong ito, pagbali-baliktarin man natin ang mundo, ang may tinapos na formal ng edukasyon, ang siyang nakakakuha ng mataas na porsyento ng magandang trabaho at maayos na pamumuhay. Subalit, mayroon din naman na kahit hindi nakatapos ay may asenso, lalo na't may abilidad at tamang diskarte sa buhay at may mabuting pag-uugali. So ngayon pa lang, binabati ko na kayong lahat, mga nagsipagtapos, na binigyan ng higit na halaga ang edukasyon. Pero, higit ang inyong mga magulang at inyong mga guro o sino mang nagtiyaga upang patuloy ninyong maptamo ang inyong mga pangarap. Dalangin ko, kayong mga nagsipagtapos sa araw na ito, na handang mamuno ng may kakayahan, may mabuting pagkatao, gamitin sa mahusay na pamamaraan ang lahat ng inyong natutunan. Patunayan ninyo na hindi swerte ang dahilan kung bakit kayo nakatapos ng pag-aaral, kundi nagsumikap kayo. Ang inyong pagsisikhay sa pag-aaral at ang pagpapahalaga ng inyong mga magulang sa konsepto ng edukasyon ay gamitin yung inspirasyon upang makamit ang inyong mga pangarap at pagdating ng panahon, matulungan ang inyong mga pamilya. To the parents and guardians, thank you for entrusting us with your children at AICS. So this achievement is yours as much as theirs. And to our school administrators, teachers, teaching staff, thank you for your tireless dedication to shaping these young minds. Tandaan, mga graduates, ang tagumpay ay hindi destinasyon. Ito ay paglalakbay o journey. Hindi mahalaga kung ano yung bitbit mo, subalit kung paano mo natupad ang iyong pangarap at misyon na maging mabuting kabataan, na maging mabuting mamamayan, na handang mamuno, na may kaalaman, kakayahan, at mabuting pagkatao. Palagay ko na ibahagi ko na at naipayag ang aking payo at mensahe. Sabi nga ni Father Roque Ferriols, kapag nasabi na ang lahat ng masasabi, ang pinakamahalaga ay hindi na masasabi. Dahil iyon ay magagawa nyo lang. Muli, isang matagumpay na pagtatapos sa inyo lahat. Maraming salamat, AICS. Salamat sa inyong lahat, mga guro, mga magulang, mga nagsipagtapos. Isang matigas na saludo sa inyong lahat at magandang umaga po.
Thank you very much, Dr. Hamora. Ladies and gentlemen, we now present you the Batch 2026 candidates for graduation of Asian Institute of Computer Studies, Montalban. To present the graduates or the candidates for graduation, we'd like to call on AICS Central 1 Area Manager, Mrs. Rosalita Olivo.
President, Mr. Anthony Assis, I have the honor to present to you the 246 candidates for graduation for the Humanities and Social Sciences strand.
AICS President, Mr. Anthony S. Assis, will now confer the graduates.
Good morning. By the virtue of the power vested upon me by the Director of the Department of Education, I hereby confer you as graduates of the Humanities and Social Sciences strand with all the rights, honors, and privileges appertaining thereunto. Congratulations, you are now full-fledged graduates of our senior high program. You may now move your tussles to the right. Again, let's give a big hand to our graduates.
Thank you very much, Mr. Assis. Now, dear students, we finally reached the moment you have all been waiting for, to march up the stage and present your diplomas. So, graduates, you may fall in line. Ladies and gentlemen, we now present you our graduates from the Humanities and Social Sciences strand.
Abastillas Errol Vincent C. Abuda Angeline B. Agpawa Joshua S. Agustin Shireen Marville F. Alejandro Jr. Fernando I. Alhambra Justin C. Alipe Eliza Jamaya H. Alanige Jr. Ariel B. Almoneda Princess F. Aloro Jonas V. Alquiros Geslin M. Alulod Lian B. Alvero Romil Jr. R. Andales Rian S. Angana Gianpaolo D. Angana John Paul D. Anores Cyril Yeng D. Apa Gian Gabriel D. Aquino Lori May T. Arriesgado Francis T. Archaga Juniel Serge C. Asuhan Crizia Mea L. Ayonan Jasmine Rose D. Bakudo John Christian R. Bagalanon J. Lexter M. Balansayo Janela T. Balyeras Arvin J. D. Banyez John Dave G. Barbo Katrina. Barjago Marian B. Barrientos Carlito F. Bautista Andre T. Bautista Trix Ashley S. Belando Leo Jr. S. Belotindos Rena May P. Bohol John Ray P. Borja Renz A. Wedron Emil C. Bueno Julian G. Bulabog Trisha Shane F. Bulataw Feli Ann M. Buscado Res Ann B. Kabadu Maria Cristina C. Kabato Carl E. Kagumbay Princess Faith A. Calyado Cristina M. Canaliha Julian G. Cano Jewel May J. Canonigo Lawrence V. Carascal Kyla N. Cardoza Aryan Denise E. Carillo Eliza M. Kasaya Mark Andre T. Castañeda Althea Vane R. Cayago Rochelle D. Kayudong Jake P. Seneta Jonah May. Kodoy Mark Vincent M. Colarat Charlie John T. Colegado Josephine M. Conce Jasmine Joy A. Cordova Alden H. Cordova Kyle Spratly V. Corullo Ayeza Faith R. Costello Anthony Ryan Kent M. Cruz Keith Crystal P. Cuenca Jana May O. Dagia Nicole P. De Guzman Mary Joven D. Decena Will Shane D. De la Cruz Algen R. De la Cruz Van Cedric T. Delda Rowena M. Diator City Aiza T. Diaz John Patrick C. Diezon JDL. Dimol Princess Angeli J. Inglasan Maydel C. Domanico Eliza A. Duena Christian JB. Ebuho Princess Jamaica Angel B. Elabra Leia Marie G. Escalera Reynaldo Jr. M. Esperanza Giselle C. Espiña Crizzy F. Espiritu Micaela E. Espiritu Rian Marty. Espuerta Angel L. Estanislao Mary Claire H. Estrada John Lee R. Evangelista Lian May S. Fegason Ranidel N. Flor de Liza Edmund C. Florentino Ryan Jix J. Flores Clench Matthew Alexis G. Frias Adrian C. Frondoso Alexis C. Fodolin Mea Angeli B. Galpa Florecita R. Gante Athea Daphne E. Garcia Rain Stephen Y. Gaspar Charles Janrick T. Gayaw Norina A. Henal Meliona O. Heneta Hart B. Gigante Casmera C. Hinez Halen P. Guanzon Jared T. Guanzon Josie A. Guillermo Reynel I. Henabio Princess Jorin C. Hernandez Alison D. Hibaya Christine May A. Halalon Crystal Joy A. Jalina Jillian Carla J. Halong John Ricks F. Hamusin Samantha Nicole T. Jano Angel A. Harabejo Neil John M. Hobson Adrian C. Laba Amarudin A. Labaro Maria Shamil N. Labong Jetro T. Lago Kenzo A. Lansangan Micaela P. Lastimosa Justin J. T. Levios Rose Jean N. Lebria Joshua. Legada Greg Marby. Leparto Joseph L. Lorico Jaden James B. Lubo Lionel B. Lutap Marco Louis T. Mabelangan Bea E. Makalma Jonas Angelo D. Macario Nomer S. Macaundas Rihanna V. Maderazo Jimmy B. Madrigal Kane Franz G. Maiquez Andrea M. Mamalateo Mark Anthony P. Manlangit Aldrin JJ. Maranyon AJF. Marshall Damian Inigo M. Melgar Johncel A. Melyong Ray Angelo A. Meran Aaron Dylan R. Mercado Cesar Ryan. Meridores Lirin Grace M. Mesa Raniel Chase V. Misangkad Eliza T. Mogol Mark Angelo R. Mondido Bea T. Montalban Renz Manuel R. Montefalcon Rinali D. Morada Vanessa May L. Morales Nashley T. Moran Maria Teresa U. Morena Rosalyn Arian T. Mortiz Zoran M. Muling Bayan John Ivan T. Nasinopa John Cedric R. Nasinop Nanaw Hillary Nicole M. Natavio Deshwan Michael S. Naval Jaylene Claire S. Noble Melvi M. Nocus John Lloyd P. Nuwal Easy F. Nunez Quenzi P. Obligado Nicole D. Odjimar John Ray L. Oha Christopher B. Orea Ashley Nicole. Ortega Rovelyn G. Ortiz Sean Kenneth E. Pabas Angelica S. Pacifico Jennifer E. Padernal Pamela Grace N. Padernal Princess N. Palacio Ken Raven S. Parabas Renz Archie B. Parale Steve Nash O. Barilla Alexandra T. Peñas John Leandro. Petras Kurt Russell L. Piano Rachel May L. Felipco Jr. Roger B. Pineda Marcus Gabriel M. Placer John Louis G. Posadas Jenny Rose P. Kirante Jelly May P. Ragas Erickson G. Ragus Mariela S. Ramirez Wilmar N. Ramos Jillian D. Ranceli Kyle Gabriel L. Rangar Johara P. Rapsing Almina T. Reblora Arnel C. Recluta Ashley Jean G. Retuerto Mia R. Rivera Christian J. Robilios Vivian S. Rogacion John Benedict T. Rolyoque Kian Felix. Sabeliano Ria L. Saberon Princess Dinal A. Salanyo Maria Virgin D. Salazar Mary Chris B. Salvador Tom Cruz B. Santiano Athena S. Santos Juana Lily A. Sawali Leia M. Saison Bea T. Sevan Bea T. Silvano Trixie E. Siokson Christine Joy A. Sionko John Mark R. Season Margie R. Solomon Marian Nicole S. Soria Euricho Y. Soriano Sela Joy D. Suwaan Angel Joy O. Sugi Ashley May F. Sunga Clarice L. Talabong Jesseline B. Dames Jaifara G. Teves Richard Rich John C. Yonko Jersey Ryan M. Tobias Jaime Junior D. Trinia Ariel L. Tuyay Shariana Jean. Ubalde Shane Gabriel D. Uranza Janine P. Valenzuela LJT. Vargas Rixen Simon L. Villa Micaela C. Villaflor Jenny B. Villanueva Alejandro G. Villaro Michelle P. Villeta John Romel P. Viola Shira May M. Yanez Noel John P. Yodiko Mina E. Yu Romiel Jeric G. Zaspa Marian S.
Ladies and gentlemen, they are our graduates from the Humanities and Social Sciences strand. Let's give them a round of applause. And now we present to you our awardees. To our awardees, if you are to be given medals, you may remove your caps. And as agreed earlier, parents, please do not forget to smile. So ang awardees po natin, pwede na po tayong pumila. Kung kayo po ay sasabitan ng medal, pakitanggal na po ang inyong mga cap. At sa ating mga parents, guardians na sasama sa ating awardees, wag na wag pong kalimutan, ibaon ang inyong mga ngiti. Maraming salamat po.
Alejandro Fernando Jr. I. Aloro Jonas V. Aquino Lori May T. With honor, Aquino Lori May T. With Merit Award, Best in Science. Bagalanon J. Lexter M. Balansayo Janela T. Banyes John Dave G. With honor. Barbo Katrina B. Barrientos Carlito F. Belotindos Rena May P. With honor. Barbo Katrina B. Best in Science. Borja Renz A. Bulabog Tresha Shane F. Buscado Res Ann B. With honor. Cabado Maria Cristina C. Cano Joel May J. Carillo Eliza M. With honor. Castañeda Althea Vane R. Colegado Josephine M. Conce Jasmine Joy A. With honor. De Guzman Mary Joven T. De Sena Will Shane D. Diathor City Aiza T. With honor. Duena Christian J. B. Espinia Crazy F. Espiritu Rian Marthy. With honor. Estanislao Mary Claire H. Estrada John Lee R. Evangelista Lian May S. With honor. Flor de Liza Edmund C. Flores Clench Matthew Alexis G. Frias Adrian C. With honor. Frondozo Alexis C. Fudolin Mea Angeli C. Galva Floresita R. With honor. Ganthe Athea Daphne E. Garcia Rain Stephen Y. Jenal Miliona O. With honor. Gineta Hart B. Hibaya Christine May A. Halalon Crystal Joy A. With honor. Hibaya Christine May A. Best in Athletics. Halina Jillian Carla J. Labaro Maria Shamil N. Lansangan Micaela P. With honors. Lansangan Micaela P. Best in Mathematics. Macalma Jonas Angelo D. Maderazo Jenny B. Madrigal Kane Franz G. With honor. Maikez Andrea M. Meran Aaron Dylan Rain. Mundido Beathi. With honors. Meran Aaron Dylan Rain and Mundido Beathi, Best in Athletics. Monte Falcon Rinali D. Morada Vanessa May L. Moran Maria Teresa U. With honor. Muling Bayan John Ivan T. Nasinopa John Cedric R. Naval Jaylin Claire S. With honor. Nual IZF. Ortiz Sean Kenneth E. Pabas Angelica S. With honor. Piano Rachel May L. Ragas Erickson G. Ragus Mariela S. With honor. Ramos Jillian D. Rangar Johara P. Robilios Vivian S. With honor. Saberon Princess Daniel A. Santiano Athena S. Santos Joanna Lily A. With honor. Saison Bea T. Seban Bea T. Siokson Kristen Joy A. With honor. Soriano Sela Joy D. Sugi Ashley May F. Tames J. Farah G. With honor. Trinia Ariel L. Trinia Ariel L. Tuyay Shariana Jean. Vargas Rickson Simon L. With honor. Villaflor Jenny B. Villaro Michelle P. Viola Shira May M. With honor. Villaro Michelle P. Best in Athletics. Yodico Mina E. Zaspa Marian S. Elabra Leia Marie G. With honor. Abuda Angeline B. Alquiros Kathleen M. Asuhan Crizia May L. With high honor. Abuda Angeline B. Best in Athletics. Ayonan Jasmine Rose D. Bautista Trix Ashley S. Bueno Julian G. With high honor. Kanaliha Julian G. Karaskal Kyla Neri. Espiritu Micaela E. With high honor. Espiritu Micaela E. Best in Athletics. Espuerta Angel L. Gayao Norina A. Gigante Casmera C. With high honor. Gigante Casmera C. Best in Athletics. Best in Social Science. Henabio Princess Joreen C. Libios Rose Jean M. Moreno Rosaline Ariane P. With high honor. Henabio Princess Joreen C. Best in Athletics. Moreno Rosaline Best in Athletics. Nanao Guillermy Nicole M. Petras Kurt Russell L. Kirante Jelly May P. With high honor. Nanao Guillermy Nicole M. Best in Athletics. Best in Social Science. Leadership Awardee. Second placer Municipal Level Singing Competition. And Petras Kurt Russell Best in Athletics. Ranceli Kyle Gabriel L. Recluta Ashley Jean G. Salazar Mary Chris B. With high honor, Ranceli Kyle Gabriel L. Best in Athletics. Recluta Ashley Jean G. Best in Athletics, Best in Communication Arts, and Best in Social Science. Silvano Trixie E. Suan Angel Joy O. Tionko Jersey Rain M. With high honor, Silvano Trixie E. Best in Social Science. Suan Angel Joy O. Best in Athletics. Uranza Janine P. With high honor. And Hernandez Allison B. Award with highest honor, Best in Communication Arts and Best in Social Science. Followed by our merit awardee, Balieras Arvin J. Zeta, Best in Science. And our Best in Research, John Cedric R. Nasinopa, Crisia May L. Asuhan, Charlie John T. Colarat, Juniel Serge C. Arteaga, Alexandra T. Parilla, and Angel Joy O. Swan, with the title, Level Up Awareness on Fire Safety of Grade 12 UMS Student at Asian Institute of Computer Studies. Let's give them a round of applause. Congratulations.
Congratulations to all our awardees. You have brought honor to your parents, your families, and Asian Institute of Computer Studies is very proud of your accomplishments. At this point, we'd like to call on Ms. Alison Hernandez to deliver the note of thanks.
To my fellow graduates, parents, mentors, board of directors, President Mr. Anthony S. Assis, Chairman of the Board Mr. Sita S. Assis, and to our honorable guest speaker, Dr. August M. Hamora. I am honored to speak to you on this very important day. Today, April 16, 2026, we stand as a legacy equipped with knowledge, skills, and values we acquired from this school, walking tall with our banners raised high. I stand on behalf of my fellow graduates to express our sincerest gratitude. First, to my parents, thank you to my mother, Ana Hernandez, and my father, Darius Hernandez, for the endless love and support you've shown me. A million words would be too short to express how grateful I am for all the sacrifices you made. You didn't just provide for my needs, you stayed by my side and always made me feel at ease. You worked so hard to get me here, and now that I am here, I am now someone you can be proud of. Mama, Papa, this achievement wasn't just mine to celebrate, but it is yours as well. Second, to my Ocho, thank you, Jel, Kai, Nix, Lian, Mimi, Kana, Ash, and Jelly for all the memories we've shared together. From just playing together on a random day to finally celebrating each other's success. I hope you know how proud and grateful I am to have a friend who stayed through thick and thin. Even though we are completely different from each other and sometimes disagree with each other, I love how we stayed together and celebrated our success. Third, to our instructors, we all know that in the past years, you have kept teaching us and understanding us, even though there are times where we are hard to handle. The patience and devotion that you have shown us transform us to become effective and efficient in our fields. We are more than grateful to our faculty members. Again, thank you for giving us great knowledge that we can use in the future. And lastly, to my fellow graduates, I know that all of us keep struggling in the past years, but I hope everyone knows that we made it. How we survived all the tasks and activities that made us cry numerous times. But all of these are just trials that will lead us to a better future. The dreams we made together united us as one. Thank you for all the memories, laughter, sleepless nights, and tears we shed together. All of these are hard to forget and will remain with me. Thank you very much, my fellow graduates. Our alma mater, Asian Institute of Computer Studies, believes in the power of Almighty God. With His power and great glory, we were formed and prepared to claim our destiny. Fellow graduates, today we achieved something, and soon we will be starting at those entry-level jobs that will be the beginning of our careers. Let us have a clear vision of our future. Do not give yourself even the slightest doubt. Be proud, stand tall. This is not the end, rather, it is the start of our new beginning. Congratulations, and God bless us all.
Thank you, Allison. Graduates, please rise. Ms. Hilary Nicole Nanao will be leading the Pledge of Loyalty.
Everyone, please raise your right hand and repeat after me. I state your name, Gilary Nicole M. Nanao, an alumnus of the Asian Institute of Computer Studies, do hereby solemnly pledge to remain loyal to my alma mater, to uphold the noble ideas and principles for which she stands. I will always strive to lead an honest and moral life, and usefully and intelligently the knowledge and skills I have acquired in the advancement of science and technology, making myself worthy of my God, my country, my family, and myself. That would be all. Thank you.
Thank you, Gilary. Graduates, are you ready for the next part? Okay. Just a few reminders before you do start. Kinausap po ako ni Sir Paul at sabi ni Sir Paul ay meron daw siyang binilin sa inyo. So whatever that is, kayo na po ang bahala. Ladies and gentlemen, let us listen to our graduates as they sing this year's graduation song.
I'm never gonna look back. Whoa.
guys, good job ah. Yung mga iba, sobrang na-excite, inunahan yung kanta eh. That is beautiful singing. So the next song is important also. Alright, so sana ready tayo doon. At this point, I would like everybody to please stand up as we all sing the AICS hymn. Thank you very much. You may be seated for a while. Ladies and gentlemen, our ceremony has finally come to an end. After years of dedicated study, you all have finally made it. You've all dreamed of this accomplishment. Now, graduates, you are here, the dream is fulfilled, and you've taken a very big step towards reaching that even bigger dream. To pursue higher learning, to land an important job, to make a difference. Whatever your goal is, reach for it. Don't be afraid to dream more, aim higher, and work harder. You hold that brighter promise. Believe, and you will make that big difference. Ladies and gentlemen, I believe our graduates deserve a big round of applause. Let us also acknowledge the people behind your success. Your parents, families, and relatives who have worked hard to provide for your education, to give all the support and faith you needed, all because they love you. They deserve as much recognition. A round of applause for them, please. Dear graduates, within each and every one of you lies the promise of a better and brighter future. All you need is faith in yourselves. Believe you are capable of reaching for your dreams. So go on, believe, work hard, and achieve. Do the things you are capable of and see the astounding difference you can make. Asian Institute of Computer Studies, the Board of Directors, the administration, and the faculty salute your accomplishments. Ladies and gentlemen, the Batch 2026 graduates of Asian Institute of Computer Studies, Montalban. At this point in time, I would like to call on AICS faculty members, AICS administration, and staff members to please join us on stage para makasama naman po natin si Doc sa picture taking. Maraming salamat po. Ladies and gentlemen, may we please rise for the exit of colors. Ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of our guest, Dr. August Hamora, the AICS Board of Directors, Administrative Officers, the faculty and staff, this is Alvin Carrillo, Master of Ceremonies. Again, graduates, congratulations po. Maraming salamat sa inyong pagtalo.